I'm Amy and I'm a graduate engineer. I didn't really know what I wanted to go into other than I knew I wanted to work and be in this kind of business, but the grad program does push you through all the different kinds of projects, water, there's bidding, tendering, all of that kind of stuff as well. So you do get to see a complete picture of what contracting would be as an engineer. As I said, we kind of expect you to hit the ground running, and that was honestly just the biggest understatement. It has been like sprinting up a hill for 100 kilometres. It's just crazy, all hands on deck from day one, but it's been really rewarding. One thing I love to do outside of work is sailing, and we've been a sailing family ever since I was little. My dad and I actually did up a trailer sailor when I was 8, and then I moved away to boarding school and got into laser sailing, which is a little bit different. It's just yourself in the boat, which is fun, and I'd sailed a lot before, so I knew the ins and outs of it, but it was a lot more unstable, and there was really nobody else to blame if I went into the water. My mentor is Stephen. I think it's just nice to have someone who isn't involved in your day-to-day work life that you can go to and say, hey, this is going on, what can I do about it, kind of thing, someone to just get some advice from. And what's really special about our office is that we have the crew coming in as well, so we get all the field crews and the supervisors and the managers, and you get to know a lot of people who have a lot of knowledge in the area as well, so hands-on knowledge versus design knowledge, and it's a really great place. I've learnt a lot, and everyone's really friendly and just kind of a bit like a family. It's been such a good experience, and I mean, I've done so much more than I ever thought that I would, and learnt a lot more than I ever expected to. So coming in with no expectations, it's just been incredible. Yeah, so just apply.